Hello dear friends and companions. In this video, while the recipe for making walnut milk, which is one of the most effective ingredients for insomnia, is taught, we also talk about its properties and benefits. We hope that this content is useful for you and you can use it to be healthy. This soothing drink helps to solve insomnia problems, that's why it is recommended to drink a glass of it slowly and sip it for 10 minutes before going to bed. Walnut milk is rich in unsaturated fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, which are very beneficial for cardiovascular health. This composition is low in carbohydrates and high in fat and protein. Walnut milk helps keep blood sugar levels stable and is rich in antioxidants that prevent inflammation in the body. Nut milk is also a rich source of fiber. 1 ounce of walnuts has 2 grams of fiber, which promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and weight control. Consumption of smoothies containing walnut milk reduces appetite and hunger, and compared to other drinks, it has more nutrients and fewer calories. To make walnut milk, combine 2 walnut kernels with natural honey and water and put in a blender to get a delicious milky liquid. Walnut milk can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 days. In addition, you can add ingredients such as wheat germ, spit flour, and rose water, each of which has beneficial properties. By consuming wheat germ, you can easily cure sexual and physical weakness, make the skin beautiful and young, and prevent the occurrence of many cancers and diseases. It also helps to reduce the signs of aging, wrinkles, and also reduces the signs of premature aging and preserves the texture of your skin and hair, and several other important properties that are not mentioned in this video. The important point is that those suffering from epilepsy, skin rashes, and headaches should avoid consuming walnut milk. Swake is actually roasted wheat flour, which, like other wheat products, is rich in minerals and vitamins needed by the body. It contains a high amount of phosphorus and calcium, which increases height. In addition, it can treat diseases such as osteoporosis or soft bones. If used by pregnant women, it is also suitable for strengthening the ossification of the fetus. In addition, people suffering from anemia can solve this problem by consuming swake. If you eat 2 to 3 tablespoons of it every day, you will be able to provide about 23% of the total daily needs of your body with this nutrient. This case is considered one of the amazing and miraculous properties of swake. Dear friends and companions, in this video, we tried to tell you a summary of the properties of walnut milk, wheat germ and swake. Our goal is to prevent diseases and ensure your health. I hope you are healthy and able to benefit from these tips. In the end, if you liked this video, please subscribe us and activate the bell button and wait for our next work.